Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore the beauty in the mundane, learning to appreciate the little things we usually take for granted. Begin by settling into a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. As you sit, let your eyes softly close. Take a few breaths to gently lengthen your back, keeping your body soft and relaxed. Release tension in your face, your neck, your shoulders, and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. Now, turn towards your breath. Let your inhales gradually get deeper and fuller, gently slowing down your exhales. And allow each breath out to soften any unnecessary tension. With every exhale, let go of physical and mental gripping and tightening. Now, return to an easy, natural breath. There's no need to shape or control your breathing. Instead, connect to the effortless cycle of inhales and exhales. And do your best to stay present with each and every breath. Notice the beginning of your inhales, following them all the way to the top, and staying with the full length of your exhales right to the end of the cycle. And as your breath continues to flow freely, enjoy the feeling of air moving in and out of your body. Whenever you catch yourself distracted or lost in thought, drop the critical voice that arises and compassionately guide yourself back to your breath. Even if you have to do it 1,000 times today, each time you come back to your breath, do it with kindness and ease. and become curious about your body breathing. Lean in with a sense of appreciation. Enjoy each breath as it enters and exits your body, as though you were savoring something very special. Breathing happens so spontaneously that we often take it for granted. So, try welcoming each inhale and each exhale. Appreciate the simple yet extraordinary pleasure. Now, let your awareness widen. Most of us spend our days caught up in the urgency of getting work done, preparing meals, and checking things off of our list of obligations. It's no wonder life can start to feel stressful and gray. But when we learn to pause and check in, we realize that beauty exists all around us. All we have to do is pay attention. Mindfulness builds our ability to stay present with whatever we're doing, while also being aware of our environment. And as we learn to be in the here and now, we can start to open up to all the small things that we tend to overlook. Particles of dust dancing in the sunlight, warm water as we wash our hands, and a fresh breeze while walking down the street all become sources of beauty and importance. So cultivate appreciation in your everyday and see how contentment grows exponentially. Notice the nuances, textures, and details of the world around you. Take pleasure in the simplicity of all the little things. Now, gently come back to your breath. As you take an expansive inhale and exhale, savor it fully. Become aware of your body and space. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of appreciation into the day, and let's meet back here tomorrow.